Hi guys, okay, now we're on to your homework for this week. Everything I'm about to talk about is in Chapter 7. And what you're going to do for your homework this week is you're going to install Redis and you're going to install MongoDB to interact with your Node.js files. I provided you the Node.js files in the downloads and the announcement. So what we need to do is, let me see where I'm at first of all. Okay, what you're going to do is inside the Twitter directory, you're going to install the Redis database, and inside the Mazerific, you're going to install the Mongo's database. These are being pulled, the Twitter and the Mazerific are being pulled from Chapter 6. Okay, what you need to do for your Node.js file to work is you need to install the Redis, and to install the Redis, you need to have a package JSON file, JSON file, that has the dependencies that are necessary to run it. So what I provided you also was an example package JSON file for Redis. But right here, you can see it has the basic information of name, version, description, and it also has what the dependencies are, what are necessary to run it. So simply, as you can see in my directory right here, I have the package JSON file. And what I can do now is I can do an npm install. And what it's going to do for me, it's going to install the necessary dependencies to run the Node.js. Okay. So what you're going to do is, as this is running, you're going to send in a screen capture of your directory for your Twitter, and then you're going to also send in a screen capture of your directory for the Mazerific. So, like, you'll send in a screen capture of the node modules, the package JSON, and the tweet counter.js file. And you also send in a screen capture of the Mazerific, and it will also have the dependencies in it. And you'll also send in you'll send in a copy of your package JSON file for both the Twitter and the Mazerific. So we have this installed. Now you can work with the Node.js, essentially. Let me show you how to interact with the Redis from the command console. So I type in Redis client, so this brings up the command prompt. And what I can do is I can have variables and set them to values. So I can set the variable awesome to 0. Okay, and if I get awesome, it'll say 0. I can also interactively add 1 to awesome. So I'm adding 1 to awesome. I can add it again. Okay, so now when I get awesome, the value is going to be 2. Okay, you can also, it doesn't have to be integer. Since it's a variable, you can also set awesome to a string. Okay, so now if I get awesome, okay, so that's the basic command client. But usually what people do is they interact with the database through the Node.js. So again, those are provided for you, but for your homework, this is what is necessary. And I will talk to you later.